Hello everyone, welcome to this report video. Let's start. So I am Paula del Árboles Camilla, one of the 8 members of this group. So let's start. First of all, I want to say that there are a lot of companies that sells products and services. But does they have a marketing strategy? Does that make a company grow in sales more and better? Let's find out. We decided to work with MexCrew, a 100% Mexican company. Mex is for Mexico, crew means group. MexCrew has been in textile industry for over 35 years. It was established by Pedro Enrique Hernandez under the name Química Auxiliar Textil, or QAT. At the beginning of its operations, its product offer was focused on woven and sewing. QAT developed the brand with another section called Tejidos Hernandez, or Tejer. So we have QAT first, then Tejer. But in 2017, the company renewed itself, creating a section for the company called MexCrew, a new brand that has been looking for a process that offers high-quality textile product known as premium basics, such as sweatshirts, trousers, shorts, t-shirts, all the clothes that we already know. Nowadays, MexCrew is a Mexican company dedicated to the development of high-quality, 100% cotton businesses with premium clothes. One of the big differences that they have with the competition is that they are distinguished by conventional clothing factories. They offer the development of a product to any brand that seeks this. Some of the brands that called MexCrew to make their products and put them logos are Hermanos Komori, Tony Delfino, Anuar Layón. Then we have also Daniel Me, that he's also in the United States, and Palmavena, situated in the state of Campeche. So the mission and vision of MexCrew are: mission, position the company in Mexico as a company with premium quality products. And the vision is obtain long-term clients and sales both in Mexico and abroad. So, MexCrew is a small medium company with 31 employees. They have different jobs. Talking about the competition, they are the only ones in Mexico who make the type of quality clothes. Nevertheless, there are a lot of new companies by now that are in very big advantage, such as Chinese companies, online companies that you can buy very fast at very low cost. But let's talk more about that in the video.
Hi everyone, this is Maria Jose Hernandez Aguilera, and in this section we'll discuss the macro-environmental factors that can affect a Mexican textile company such as MexCrew. We'll start off with political factors. As you know, Mexico is trying to keep its economy open, which is why it is a member of certain organizations such as the World Trade Organization, and it has 13 free trade agreements in place. For example, the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement has certain benefits for textile companies. It allows them to export between these countries with tariff-free trade. As for economic factors, the COVID pandemic hit Mexican economy pretty hard. However, it has recently been recovering. In 2022, it reached 1.41 trillion US dollars, and of this total, the textile industry contributed with around $5.14 billion. However, inflation has to be considered. In 2022, it reached a maximum of 7.9%, and it has slowly been decreasing to its more recent value of 4.26%. As for social factors, there are 126 million inhabitants in the country. 47 million of them belong to the middle class, and 1 million are members of the high class. These groups can afford more entertainment, travel, and clothing, for example. A trend that is taking force, especially in the middle class, is fast fashion. And in this trend, brands such as H&M and Zara emulate clothing from more luxurious brands, but at a more affordable price. As for technological factors, we have technology from the Industry 4.0, for example, cloud computing, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence. These technologies can be incorporated in several processes in order to make better informed decisions. As for legal factors, Mexico has had a lot of changes in its labor laws in the past years. For example, there was a prohibition of outsourcing and also the increase by 20% for the minimum wage. These are factors that have to be taken into account in order for companies to adjust their operations and to take better care of their employees. Last but not least, we have environmental factors. So, as I mentioned before, fast fashion has allowed people to acquire clothing that looks a bit more luxurious, but it also leads them to dispose faster of these clothes, and it creates more contamination. So, textile companies are taking initiatives in order to take better care of the environment. For example, they are developing more local suppliers and they are also using biodegradable colorants and, for example, environmentally friendly fabrics.
Hello, my name is Abril, and in this video, we will dive into a comprehensive marketing strategy for MexCrude. Our focus will revolve around three crucial microenvironmental factors. These ones are clients, sector trends, and competitors. For the sector of clients, the strategy is centered on deeply understanding the needs and expectations of MexCrude clients. For this one, we will launch a market research campaign to gather valuable insights and establish direct communication with the customer. This channel will encourage to have a continuous feedback. Additionally, we will explore the product customization to strengthen relationships and foster customer loyalty. This can be seen as a reward. For the sector trends, the strategy aims to capitalize on emerging trends on textile industry, particularly on the sustainability, digitalization, and material innovation. MexCrew will commit to sustainable practices, integrate digitalization into internal process, and continuously adapt its product offering to meet these evolving trends. For the market of competitors, acknowledging MexCrew uniqueness in process and product quality, the strategy involves a comprehensive competitor analysis. This will be emphasized on the unique value position. Furthermore, we will explore strategic alliances to enhance visibility and open new distribution channels. For the sector of implementation and performance measurement, the strategy will be implemented sequentially, starting with the market research and internal optimization. Cross-functional teams will be established and performance will be measured using the key indicators, such as market, share growth, and customer satisfaction. As a conclusion, we can say strategy aims to position MexCrew as a leader on development of high-quality textile products, adapting to customer expectation, sector trends, and surpassing the competitors. Effective implementation and continuous measurement will allow us on MexCrew to expand the presence and reputation of the textile market. We hope this strategy propels MexCrew a new height of success of the industry.
So, hello everyone, this is Eduardo Flores, and I'm going to talk about the internal resources of Mexico. When we talk about an organization's internal resources, we have a very expensive topic that covers different branches from which we can analyze the organization. We can also classify these resources as tangible and intangible. As an example of each, in tangible resources we find material, technological, and financial resources. In intangible resources, we can find factors as employees' experience and knowledge, and organizational values, and also the company's reputation. In the technological resources of Mexcrew, we can find a way to improve their process because in the administrative department, they use Excel. Excel is not a bad tool, but there are more advanced softwares for this company, for the textile industries, that are more efficiently, and then you can manage your operation, your daily operation better. For example, Global Textile ERP, G2I Textile, Efficiency Textile, and ERP Solutions. Luis also told that they use a program called Gerber Acumark, which is a pattern design system from the textile and fashion sectors. Its main function is to design and develop products more quickly and efficiently. This is a great support to his company, as it processes the information received from customers' orders and based it on their needs. The software provides efficient data such as sizes, growth, flexibility when making a pattern, all based on the customer's specifications to achieve a product with the requested characteristics. Internal resources is the product portfolio for a company. And this is a little bit weird because Mexcrew doesn't have a product portfolio, but Luis told us that this is an advantage for them because they can do whatever they want and whatever the customers needs. Looking this way to serve to the market, Mexcrew made an important alliance with a partner who focuses on exporting their product to the United States, and they have plans to expand for the future to Europe.
Hi everyone, I'm Giovanni Aburto and I will talk to you about Mexcrew market objectives, market strategies, market segmentation, opportunities, and strategic decision based on the product life cycle. According to the 10 key points of creating marketing plan, the company has adapted them to achieve the goals. Firstly, an internal analysis of the company is conducted to assess strengths and weakness, including production capacity, quality, and distribution. Mexcrew mentioned having the necessary equipment, personal and material quality to provide high-level products to their customers. Therefore, offering service to any customers with their market segmentation poses no problem. Secondly, a competition analysis performed to assess the market. Mexcrew main competitors, as mentioned in the interview, come from the Chinese outsourcing market. Despite their high production capacity and good fabric quality, Mexcrew gains an advantage due to a lower transportation cost and time, allowing them to outperform competitors. In this region, according to the interview, there is currently no similar or direct competitors in terms of quality and material. However, Mexcrew acknowledged that many companies in the outsourcing market use cheaper materials and low-quality fabrics, making them direct competitors in that sense, though not targeting the same market. For the next point, analysis of customers and market, understanding the competition and what your company has to offer is crucial. Mexcrew recognizing to its product high quality and the disadvantage of its competition, collects data from target company through social media and their main websites, yielding positive strategies, marketing results. Fourthly, competitive advantage. As previously mentioned, lies in shipping cost and the primary appeal of durability and thickness in their garments, catering to 1.6. Fifth, segmentation focus on companies requiring high-level cotton garments, particularly large and establishing companies. Mexcrew aims to separate the create process from production, focusing only on manufacturing. Regarding positioning, the main attributes Mexcrew wants to associate with the brand are the quality and thickness of its products, highlighted as its best introduction in business proposal. In strategy decision based on the product life cycle, the four phase introduction, growth, maturity, and decline are considered. For introduction, focus on market weakness of Mexcrew fabric quality and novelty, along with competitive pricing to capture market attention. For growth, expand the high quality products line to meet diverse market needs, increase marketing and advertising efforts through development of their main websites and initial stage of social media presence. For maturity, different through continuous innovation and quality improvements, to maintain market interest, consider pricing stage to encourage customer loyalty. And decline, evaluate the feasibility of recognizing the product to new markets or introducing variation to revitalize interest if necessary.
Let's take a look at Mexcru's products, which are a variety of garments designed and fabricated for different clients. Now, Mexcru is a clothing supplier in a business-to-business format, and it distinguishes itself from other suppliers thanks to their seemingly unique product's fabric composition. The company already successfully tackles a niche market, one where brands are uninterested in selling polyester clothing and instead aim for 100% cotton. Limited to shorts, trousers, t-shirts, and sweatshirts, Mexcru here has the opportunity to expand its product portfolio to gather a wider clientele. As for their pricing strategy, we are told by the company that they base their prices on several factors, taking into consideration everything from cost of production to even the color of the garments. We find that the company can define how it wants to present itself in the market and contribute to their pricing strategy. For example, do they want to be perceived as a luxury clothing supplier or as an accessible one? Sells its products is perhaps one of the areas with the most opportunity, and this is a positive thing. You see, when an area is underdeveloped, there is great room for expansion, of trial and error, and of testing and learning new avenues. At the moment, the majority of contact with the company occurs via word of mouth and networking. Mexcru has a webpage and social media accounts, which is a good starting point. This will allow potential clients to find the company quite easily. Furthermore, we find that geographical expansion and reach could be very beneficial to Mexcru, considering that most of its clients reside in Mexico City and surrounding areas at the moment. Lastly, we have the promotional strategy carried out by the company. This is the other area with great room for testing and learning. Considering that Mexcru is establishing a social media presence, they can begin with social media ads and tailored sponsoring in order to reach the right audiences.
Hello, my name is Edwin, and in this video I'm going to explain which are the strategies, implementation, action plan. To achieve these objectives, certain process within its production line must adhere to high quality standards to avoid failures and errors in the product manufacturing process. They have a specialist team responsible for this process and must consider conducting respective resistance tests, which involve evaluations of fabric strength and durability to ensure adequate protection for the body. In addition to the manufacturing process, to have an effective logistic control is necessary to ensure timely project delivery. Like any other company, it is crucial for a business to reduce overall expenses, ranging from the shipping cost reductions to proactive control of the inventory levels. This approach also allows for a better design and planning of the routes to enhance the customer service. Mexcru acknowledges the significant influence of the economic warfare between China and the United States on the global landscapes. This is a great opportunity to Mexcru to maintain a highly competitive price compared to the foreign textile industries. They have the ability to offer a high quality products at affordable prices, and this is like the key factor in consolidate Mexcru as position leader in the market. The Mexcru philosophy get focused on try to adapt the necessities of each client or customer, and this proactive approach has not only strengthened the relationship with the customers, but it has been a key factor in attractive with new business. The web application planned by Mexcru aims to improve the accessibility and convenience for the customers, allowing them to explore the products catalog, place orders online, or to have an effective track ship.
Hello, my name is Beatriz Fortes, and I'm going to share with you the conclusions and a little wrap up about our strategic marketing plan for the company Mexcru. The company distinguishes itself with a distinctive in-house production process, and the creation of high-quality products using unique chemicals and processes. Despite being in a diverse textile market that includes both physical and online stores, the company faces significant competition, particularly from the Chinese companies that not necessarily focus on quality. Mexcrew, which is a company with over 30 years in the market, recently evolved in 2017 with a twist in specializing in high-quality goods like sweatshirts, trousers, t-shirts, etc. With the company's mission to position itself as a provider of premium quality products in Mexico, it has a vision to have a good relationship with the long-term clients in sales both domestically and internationally. To achieve these objectives, the company analyzes potential buyers in social networks and homepages to identify positive opportunities in the specific market segments. So our recommendation for the brand includes expanding opportunities to go beyond the Mexican market to identify potential international clients that align with the brand's values and that could benefit from these products. Also, seeking partnerships with other businesses. Also, something that's really important is actively seeking feedback from clients and staying up to date on the industry needs. In conclusion, the brand's strategic marketing objectives and opportunity reveal a defined approach centered around the 4 Ps: product, price, place, and promotion.